One of the cool upgraded features about the Steambow M10 Crossbow is going to be this detachable box magazine. And I'm going to show you how to load that today. If you press down on this follower, you pretty easily see it will accommodate the field tip bolts as well as broadheads. And certain way you're going to obviously line them up and push them down in there. Just keep going. Now, this thing will hold 10 bolts. I'm not going to load 10 today because I don't feel like making the video that long. But push them down. I like to keep my thumb right here in the center while I'm doing it, just to make sure. Typically, it takes a couple before they kind of lock into place properly. There we go. We're all in. Clip this thing back into place and we're ready to go.